Food waste management presents significant challenges to homeowners and recyclers. It's the third largest source of methane, potent greenhouse gas that accelerates climate change, fills up landfills, and forces them to reach their capacity far earlier than anticipated. It also poses a significant threat to the environment, wildlife, and nearby communities. Improperly disposed of food waste is also a huge problem for recyclers as they are looking to turn trash into treasure. But despite new laws, policies, and constant awareness campaigns that remind us that our food scraps have value and get turned into compost or is used to generate electricity that charges the devices we love and the cars we drive, we still see millions of tons of food scraps from homes entering landfill. Hi, I'm Sean, and I'd like to introduce you to the BagEZ system. BagEZ helps reduce organic waste from getting landfilled. It's a scalable solution that integrates into the collection system to accelerate organic diversion, improve and retain participation in green bin programs, and BagEZ does this by eliminating the stink, mess, and hassle associated with organic waste separation for just a few cents a month. But before we get started, let's understand why addressing household food waste is important and why, despite years of awareness and reduction campaigns, it still poses a significant problem. To understand why providing BagEZ to residents makes sense, audits tell us that 30 out of every 100 homes with green bins just don't use them. Now this is alarming because most of the food that gets produced gets wasted inside people's homes. An average family discards about 140 kilograms or 308 pounds of food waste per year. Now, if they fall into that 30% category that do not use their green bins but throw it all into their recycle or garbage cans, recyclers have to consider the entire load contaminated and send it to a landfill or a waste-to-power incineration facility that some say harms the environment. Now, while waste management facilities focus on upgrading their systems to clean, separate, and recycle the contaminated waste they receive, and while awareness campaigns continue to spread and stress the importance of proper waste management, we look to identify the barriers, address the concerns, and improve what's commonly known in the industry as source separation. And the question we needed answered was, why do people not use their green bin? Now, while there are several factors to consider, people talked about the yuck factor the most. Food waste stinks. Containers get nasty and infested with maggots. They attract flies, rodents, and pests like raccoons and bears. Now, while they do care about the environment and do not want to harm it, they want to get back after hard days of work and relax, not clean a bin. Now, while some eco-friendly services and solutions make managing waste easier and more tolerable, many find them expensive, while others say they fail to meet the standards they are accustomed. Or like most tips available, they are simply impractical and work for only a select few. Washing a trash can to date seems to be the only solution most fall towards, which some claim is too unpleasant and difficult for them to perform. And that is what we present to you, a solution that leaves you with no excuses for not using your green bin. Now, for any solution to succeed, it must effectively address and resolve the diverse waste management challenges homeowners and recyclers face. It needs to seemingly, effectively, and consistently meet their needs and ultimately provide a definitive fix to the array of waste management complexities, while changing the mindset and attitude about food waste management. After looking into solutions and fixes that control the mess and odor that organic waste produces, we found that trash bags are the best option. They stop filth from sticking and keep the nasty stuff contained. Plus, they're readily available and incredibly resilient thanks to technology. But here's the challenge. Even when the large 55-gallon trash bags can't fit over our trash cans, how can the smaller compostable, biodegradable or plastic bag? And that's where BagEZ comes in to revolutionize the game. BagEZ allows homeowners to use any size or type of bag to ensure their waste never touches their bin. It's remarkably simple, and the results are immediate. Start with a fresh, clean bin for the best experience. Here's how easy it is. Clip on the bag of your choice to the frame and hang it in your container using the bin's raised edges. That's it. Your bag's ready to accept and hold food waste and any other compostable item. BagEZ does not block, restrict, or make the disposal of waste harder. Lift, drop, and shut. It's that simple. The bag hangs open, and all the food waste inside is prevented from touching, sticking, and creating a mess in your bin to make composting a pleasant experience for homeowners. Now, on garbage day, pull off the clips to free the bag and tie it up securely to lock everything nasty inside. Lift off and put BagEZ away before placing your bin at the curb. Now when your truck swings by, everything nasty gets taken away and the homeowner is left with a clean bin sitting on his driveway. The process is literally that easy. Now let's talk about the environmental advantages you get with BagEZ. Just an occasional rinse keeps the bin spotless and considerably reduces the water consumption. On average, about 100 liters or 26 gallons of water get wasted every time a trash can is washed. Besides saving water, toxic chemicals are often used to facilitate a bin cleaning by both homeowners and professional cleaning services. And that dirty water often contaminates groundwater too when it enters into storm drains. But with BagEZ protecting and stopping filth from sticking to your trash cans, no chemicals are needed or used. Now, while BagEZ is all about making waste management effortless and reducing the environmental damage trash can cleaning causes, it also provides clear benefits to recycling. It improves the organic collection rates while reducing the contamination of recyclable materials. It's the perfect tool to bridge the gap between green bins and sustainability. And here's of the few advantages that one gains by integrating it into the collection system. Food waste is a major source of contamination, and by encouraging and improving organic separation, BagEZ provides recyclers with a significant reduction of contamination in the recycling system, enabling recyclers to provide manufacturers with a cleaner, competitively priced, recyclable material. The green bin collection system is responsible for diverting organic waste away from landfills, and BagEZ plays a vital role in extending the lifespan of landfills by encouraging people to use them. This enables recyclers to benefit from reduced landfill tipping cost and minimize the financial burden associated with waste management. By helping keep organic waste out of landfills, BagEZ also helps reduce methane emissions. This reduction aligns with the sustainability goals and emphasizes the waste management industry's role in combating climate change by using every tool in its arsenal. BagEZ also helps change the attitude and mindset people have when they think about food waste and green bin programs, which is vital as it helps boost the goals and diversion rates of food waste campaigns. BagEZ is all about making waste management effortless for homeowners while improving collection rates, reducing contamination and management cost for waste collectors and recyclers. The benefits of integrating BagEZ into the collection process are immense. It facilitates efficient collection, sorting, and diversion of organics while saving time and resources. Thank you for listening to the BagEZ Waste Collection Accelerator System presentation. I'm sure you may have a few questions, and we should have most of them covered on our website, which is bagez.com. Or you can simply reach out to me, Sean, via email at info@bagez.com. Once again, that is info@bagez.com. And I'll get back to you with any information that you would have. I'd love to get your feedback, thoughts, and again, thank you for listening, and let's work together to make a cleaner, greener future a reality. Thank you.